Dhaga or thread kebabs with chewy texture are the best kebabs from Karachi, Pakistan. They are so soft that they melt in your mouth. Let's see how to make these. So soft.
Hello everyone. The ingredients we need are mincemeat, 1 pound, ginger garlic paste 1 tablespoon, salt to taste, garam masala powder 1 teaspoon. I'm using Shan Sikh kebab masala 2 tablespoon, onion 1 small, and green chili 1 medium size. Now I will chop all the ingredients. I'm using the mincemeat with fat. It's a 70-30 combination. Garam masala 1 teaspoon, onion, green chili, and this is Sikh kebab masala. I'm using 2 tablespoons. You can find this Sikh kebab masala on any Pakistani Indian grocery store. You can see the meat is finely chopped. Now I will make the kebab with your hands. Close the ends properly and we will wrap the thread around.
What's the purpose of the thread?
Because the meat is very finely minced, so it holds the kebab when you grill it. Like this. Spray some oil in the plate and make all the kebabs like this. I have prepared 4 kebabs for grilling. Now we will grill it. Spray some oil on the grill. Place the kebabs on it. Spray some oil on the top. Cover the grill for 5 to 8 minutes, then we will turn the side. After 5 minutes, I will turn the side. After 12 minutes, the kebabs are ready to serve. You can see